Okay, so this issue is related to the Bed Inspector app. I connect via COM5. I enter my bed size, click center, and it runs through a G28 command, and it puts the initial spot on the black rectangle right there. And I can run through measure corners. So it ran through the measure corners. And then I would like to use the measure every to plot all of the circles in the black square rectangle. But it only lays down about 2. So let's see, click that. So then that's about where it stops, and I believe it laid down 2 circles. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to continue to click this measure every 10 millimeters, or if there's something I need to debug in the app. So I thought I would just ask this question. Thank you.